Happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from November 26th through December 2nd. I can't believe it's almost December. Oh, so excited. Okay, and what I'm going to be doing this week is I had a request to start doing movies about Christmas, and I thought that was a wonderful idea. So this is a movie we always watch every Christmas. It's Borrowed Hearts, and Roma Downey's in it. It's really good. So I made my own stickers, and then I had this paper from last year left over, and I loved it. It kind of gives me the feel for the movie, and this is just such a beautiful, elegant paper. And then this is just musical notes, and it says, on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, and that applies to this movie. And then I just have this washi that says, Merry Christmas, with Santa in a car bringing the tree home. And then I'm going to be using just a red Papermate Sharpie marker. So let's take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everybody loved my Thanksgiving theme. I really had a good time doing it. Okay, I've decided I want this paper to be the dominant theme of my spread, so I'm going to cut it first. I just love this paper. I don't even know, like I said, I bought it last year. I think maybe it came from Hobby Lobby, or maybe Michael's as a single sheet. I'm not sure. And then I love this too. It's so pretty. Okay, let's start to put our paper down like we think we want it. I think this is going to be such a bright and colorful spread. I really love this paper. Okay, let's start gluing it down. Pretty sure this was a Hallmark movie. And it's about this guy, and he's an executive. He's from a big family. His father's dead, and he never could please his father. And he's just had girlfriend from girlfriends. He's just a playboy, really. And he's not really happy. And then he needs, this investor comes here, who is really an angel. And he wants to meet Sam's family. So Sam has to hire one of the women that work at his factory to be his wife and bring her daughter. And it's really good. Oh, I really like that. That is pretty. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. But the daughter has a dollhouse that looks exactly like Sam's house. I mean, he has this gorgeous mansion. And that's how he meets the lady that works for him. They're driving looking at houses because she's trying to get one for her and her daughter. And the daughter sees this and jumps out of the car and says, "Mommy, it looks just like my dollhouse." So that's how that happens. Oh, I love it. I love it. That is really pretty. I may put some right down through here to kind of, this washi is wide. Oh, I think that's so pretty. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. This is how my DVD looks. And I'll just put that right here. And then this is when the little girl runs into Sam's house, and the mom's name is Kathleen, and the little girl's name is Zoe. I think that's a beautiful name. Put that right there. And then she's explaining to her daughter here, because the daughter wants to see her father, but the father ran off. He's I think he's like a tennis player or golf or something like that. I think it's a tennis player. And he just comes into their lives long enough to totally mess the little girl up. But it all works out in the end. And then here is where they're coming downstairs to meet the angel. And here she's telling Sam how he has to decorate his house because it looks so cold. She says it doesn't look like a woman lives there or a family. And here the angel has them playing Twister. And they're starting to have feelings for one another. And then the angel's sitting there with Zoe watching them play. And he was supposed to only stay a couple days, but then he decides that he has to stay longer, so she has to stay longer. And here they are, Sam and Kathleen in front of the tree. And he's working on Christmas gifts for Zoe, and she's helping him. And then right here, Zoe gave him a catcher's mitt for Christmas. because he said he told her one night that he dropped the ball and his dad told him he couldn't finish anything or something like that. And she climbed up in the tree and he said, I promise I won't drop you, Zoe. So she fell into his arms, and then this is Sam and Kathleen. They're arguing because she leaves because he is, she had to go back to the factory because he's going to lay everyone off, but they're already in love with each other. I won't tell you how it ends, but it is a good movie. So let me just write a few things down. Okay, I'll put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it, but I think it is really pretty. I love how this turned out, but we watch this movie every Christmas. It is such a sweet movie. It's kind of a tearjerker, but it's also funny in spots. It's really a good movie. So here's my planner. I love my stickers that I made. I love this paper and the washi. Gives a really good feel for the movie. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.